you shared a very good rapport with the producer, and I hope you signed for rest of the films also.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm
So क्या कहना चाह रही हैं आप? कब से you like your heart is like wanting to say what? क्या कहना चाह रही थी आप?
I was just going to add to their understanding level.
Sure.
That जब हम लोग film shoot कर रहे थे, so obviously she was quite busy, but Bhaji Paji was taking care of the entire family and of both the kids. Anything that happened to the kid, he was always there. And then he also brought the kids to the set, and that was such a heartwarming time for all of us. We really felt that for the world he is the Harbhajan Singh.
He is.
But
He is. Yes.
But actually he is such a simple person, and coming to simplicity, I have to say my actress, all of you must have her in your films. She is fabulous. In fact, to the extent that when we were serving food, we had separate places for the cast, but ये लोग अपनी प्लेटें खुद ले जाके लाइन में खड़े होके खाना खाते थे. So this is again something which
What?
Yes,
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, they would. Yeah. So,
I love to eat with everyone. I'm not a person who likes being in the vanity van, and we like कि सारा crew इकट्ठा बैठे खाएं. Bonding भी होती है, मजा भी आता है, memories भी बनती हैं, and you get to know the people. I mean, short के बीच में क्या आप एक दूसरे से बात करोगे? जब break time होता है तो ही पता चलता है who's this person and where they're from. So that is a beautiful time.
So yes, I mean, all I'd like to say is that they may be the most glamorous couple, but at heart they are the most simplest people.
Thank you.
Thank you, and we love them all the more. Thank you, Divya. I'm going to request Jayashree ma'am to kindly be here with us. Just be here with us because now, before we go ahead and start the felicitation, I'm going to request the very dynamic gentleman. Sir, ma'am को यहाँ पे बार-बार क्यों बुला रहे हो? आपको बात करना है. You come in the center. Ashok sir, I want you to speak a few words. They both are on the cover page, and I think it's a very soulful मिलन, जैसे इनके नाम भी हैं sir. And क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तो आपकी मिलन भी आपके साथ हो. Please go ahead.
Friends, good evening. Thank you for coming over and making this event grand. Especially, I would like to thank Harbhajan and Geeta. Your interview, giving us the opportunity to carrying both of you on the cover. It was really wonderful. Trust me, the issue is absolutely, it's not sold out. It's completely out. The copies are not available in the market, and also on the there are a lot of people who are calling and asking for the copies, especially from the cricket world. There is our Delhi distributor has been calling from Delhi and saying that the board control, I don't know, BCCI or I have no idea what, but there is a board is calling for the copies. So is it possible, can you print at least some few copies? So I said yes. And in fact, yesterday we sent 10 copies to Delhi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So it's really good. I mean, these moments are very good for us, and the magazine is really rocking. Thanks to the people who are featuring on the cover, and this practice we have started 3 years ago, and is doing extremely well. And once again, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be on a cover of Society Energy Buzz. In fact, there are a few friends who are here, also here, especially this place, Mr. Paul, he's not here. He would definitely, he told me that, Harbhajan is on the cover. I would like to be there, but unfortunately I am traveling, but please give my best wishes to both of them, So that's Vasant. Neeti, she is a friend, always there for us. Poonam, Soni, she's a designer, she's also here. And Divya, obviously, and my whole entire team, Magnet, they are here, and my wife. She's always a supportive. Without her, I would not have been here. So thank you so much for all of you for making this event and evening great success.
Sir, today your speech had a lot of love and warmth. Jayashree ma'am, you always have to be there now next time. It's the first time I invited ma'am. आप दोनों हैं तो सच में इतनी लंबी तो कभी होती नहीं है. Am I right, my lovely team? Am I right?
Yes.
So say yes. Sir, itna, and look, he's blushing. He's like all pink. Wow, thank you so much, each and every one of you. So let's go ahead and have the grand unveiling right after we have just a few felicitations. So I'm going to request both of you to kindly present and give a little bit love to all those who joined us here today. So are we ready for that, friends, ladies and gentlemen? Please join us as I'm going to please welcome Sanjay Ved and Jyoti Gupta from Aerobot and BrainHab to kindly join us here. संजय जी और ज्योति जी कहते अब हमारी बारी कब आएगी? I know I could see it on your face. Maybe please have Sanjay ji and Jyoti ji. Please, Jyoti ji, kindly join us. Come, Jyoti ji, don't miss this chance. Please, please. Please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe please put hands together for them and present the beautiful bouquet and स्वागत करते हैं हमारे Indian tradition way में. I'm going to kindly request Ms. Geeta and Harbhajan ji to kindly present the bouquet and present the shawls to our dignitaries, please. Sanjay Ved ji and Jyoti Gupta ji. It's very, very special. Wow. Yay, come on, maybe please cheer. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request them to speak a few words. Yes.
समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से शुरू करूँ और so thank you so much Ashok ji for inviting here today and so first I would like to introduce myself because today I'm standing right in front of the great हरभजन सर एंड सर वो आपके लिए ऐसा है बट हम जैसे करोड़ों लोगों का सपना होता है कि एक ऐसे आइकॉन के सामने खड़ा होना जिन्होंने हमारे इस देश का नाम गर्व से ऊंचा किया है एंड ही इज वन ऑफ दैट फेस एंड इस चीज के लिए हमें जोरदार ताली देनी चाहिए कि वी आर सो लकी टू बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड स्टैंडिंग टुडे एंड हम अपने कुछ चुनिंदा शब्दों से हम इनको सम्मानित कर रहे हैं. सर देखिए क्या है कि मैं क्रिकेट बहुत कम देखती हूँ, मैं थोड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशन वाली हूँ. सो मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैम और सर को कि हम जैसे बहुत मिलेनियल्स हो या जेनजी हो, हमारे लिए कुछ ऐसे चेहरे होते हैं जिन्हें देख के हम हर दिन मोटिवेट होते हैं, हर दिन थोड़ा सा लो फील करते हैं, वापस मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक ऐसे चेहरे होते हैं जो हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं कि बॉस हर दिन सुबह उठ के आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी बहुत लंबी है. एंड सर और मैम जो हैं उन्हीं कुछ चेहरों में से हैं. जेनजी के साथ आज हम काम करते हैं एंड हमारी जो कंपनी है ब्रेनहैब एंड एरोबॉट, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि एरोबॉट इज़ अ ड्रोन टेक कंपनी एंड ब्रेनहैब इज़ अ न्यूरोसाइंस टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी. मैं ज़्यादा आई डोंट वांट टू गेट डीप डाइव इनटू कि हम क्या करते हैं और हम कैसे करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि वी आर अ टेक्नोलॉजी पीपल एंड ब्रेनहैब एंड एरोबॉट इज़ आवर सेकेंड स्टार्टअप. आवर फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप वॉज एडियोरा एंड काफ़ी बड़े स्केल पे हम लेके गए थे एंड अब समय आया है ब्रेनहैब और एरोबॉट को बड़े स्केल पे लेके जाना. काफ़ी सारे स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं. जो हमारा यूथ है जिसे नेशन बिल्डर कहा जाता है, उसके साथ जुड़ के हम उन्हें डिफरेंट स्किल डेवलपमेंट के प्रोग्राम्स कराते हैं जैसे ड्रोन, AI, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा साइंस एंड मेंटल वेलनेस. एंड मैम से मेरी एक आज इसी मंच पे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि वो हमारे ऑफिस में आए. आवर ऑफिस इज इन होटल सहारा स्टार, इनसाइड होटल सहारा स्टार. और मैं चाहूँगी कि हम अशोक सर के साथ और मैम के साथ एक प्रोग्राम रखें जहाँ पे वो हमारी जितनी भी टीम है प्लस मैं जितने भी इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स हैं एजुकेशंस में, उन सभी को इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी. और आज हम सब जिस कंपेटिटिव वर्ल्ड में जी रहे हैं वहाँ पे मेंटल वेलनेस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर एंड पीपल आर गेटिंग इनटू स्टेट ऑफ डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी, लोनलीनेस एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप्स. सो रिलेशनशिप ब्रेकअप्स एंड उसी के साथ में वी हैव टू लिव विद दिस टेक्नोलॉजी वर्ल्ड. सो मैं चाहूँगी कि मैम उसका चेहरा बने, और हम जिस देश में हैं यहाँ पे 40 से 45 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ 15 साल से 30 साल के लोगों की है, और वही वो लोग होते हैं, वही वो बच्चे होते हैं जो इस देश का नाम आगे लेके जाते हैं. तो अगर मैम और सर कुछ समय निकाल सकें और इस चीज को हम एक मूवमेंट की तरह मैम को हमारे ऑफिस बुलाएं, इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स को बुलाएं, वहां पे 2 शब्द एड्रेस करें और इस पे बात करें, सो इट विल बी अ गेम चेंजिंग फॉर द एंटायर एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री. एंड एक ही चीज मैं समझती हूँ मेरे पिछले 15 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में, क्योंकि 15 साल से मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ एजुकेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी पे हूँ, इसके अलावा मेरे पास कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. सो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि AI या ड्रोन एजुकेशन या मेंटल वेलनेस जिस पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, उसमें मैम और सर जैसे ही आइकॉन्स अगर सबके साथ जुड़ के काम करेंगे, डेफिनेटली हमारे देश का नाम, प्रधानमंत्री जी जो इस पे बहुत बड़ी मुहिम चला रहे हैं कि सभी स्टूडेंट्स को स्किल डेवलप्ड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज अगर वो स्किल्ड नहीं होंगे, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स पे जाना चाहें, चाहे वो टेक्नोलॉजी में जाना चाहें, कहीं भी जाना चाहें, अगर वो वैसा नहीं करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली एक इकोनॉमी कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकती है. सो मैं इसी पे बस माय ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज कि अशोक सर को थोड़ा समय निकालना होगा और मैम और सर को कन्विंस करके हमारे ऑफिस में लाना होगा. एंड आई वांट टू मेक दैट इवेंट अ ग्रैंड इवेंट, और वो मतलब आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट कि उसमें बेस्ट टू बेस्ट फेसेस को बुलाया जाए. थैंक यू सो मच.
मैम आपने तो लगता है सारी मीटिंग ही यहीं पे खत्म कर दी. That's so kind, ज्योति जी. That was absolutely wonderful, संजय जी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I'm going to welcome you back because we're going to also do the unveiling. So should we ask her to speak then, or you want now? Now?
सर मैं आपसे एक इतना सा ही कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने हमेशा देश का नाम रोशन किया है क्रिकेट के फील्ड में, तो हम ड्रोन के साथ में देश की डिफेंस के ड्रोन के काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप उसके साथ में आए. और देश के जो हजारों बच्चे हमारे साथ में स्कूल एजुकेशन में हैं या कॉलेज एजुकेशन में हैं, तो हमारे पास आज की तारीख में 5 लाख बच्चे जो एजुकेशन में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, तो आप उनको एक क्रिकेट के एजुकेशन स्पोर्ट्स अकेडमी के साथ में उनके साथ में जुड़े, कुछ करके दें.
So true. मैंने कहा ना ये बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है. It's just not possible. 2 ही सपने होते हैं ना सबके, फिल्म्स के और क्रिकेट के. अब दोनों एक ही घर में है तो. So thank you so much संजय जी. और next few minutes I'll welcome you back for the unveiling. Yeah. ज्योति जी शुक्रिया, संजय जी. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put hands together. They both are trailblazers. One of them a restorator, the second one a jewelry designer. May we only Neeti Goyal, the world-renowned restorator, to kindly accept this felicitation from us. May we please have the felicitation bouquet and the lovely, yes, stole for Miss Neeti Goyal. I love what you're wearing, Miss Neeti. So peachy and beautiful, as always. And thank you for joining us. So Miss Neeti rarely gets time to join us. She's so busy with her restaurants. But this time it was special because we had both the superstars here with us. So it's very special.
Thank you.
One sentence. आप मुश्किल से आए हो आप.
Thank you guys. It's just amazing to see the beautiful cover. It could be the best cover I feel, Ashok, that you've ever had, with the beauty and the cricket putting together. So I'm glad I'm here today and really wanted to see your movie. और हरभजन जी सत श्री अकाल. हम लोग तो चंडीगढ़ से जुड़े हैं, so सत श्री अकाल, and we are very proud of you. The whole nation is very very proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you. नीति जी इतनी सारी बातें रात को. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put hands together. Nam Soni. We just love her collection and look at the combination, the color. And I'm sure she creates something in the gems and jewelry industry as she aces it so well. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Poonam Soni. And what is very special is that she's been featured in this very magazine. Have you seen that, Miss Poonam?
Of course.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Very good evening, everyone. This is such a special moment. Firstly, because I'm featured with 2 icons, and Harbhajan ji is, of course, I'm so elated and honored to be in this book. Thank you, Ashok. And Geeta, beautiful Geeta Basra. So, you know, just now she said about 2 things. One is films and cricket. दोनों मेरी hobbies हैं. एंड मैं डिज़ाइनिंग करके मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता, बट जब भी मिलता है आई ईदर वॉच अ फिल्म और आई नेवर मिस अ क्रिकेट मैच. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर. थैंक यू सो मच.
When do you design? क्योंकि ये दोनों तो चीजें चलती रहती हैं.
वो भी मुझे टाइम मिल जाता है. क्रिकेट भी मैं देखती रहती हूँ, मूवीज भी देखती हूँ, डिजाइनिंग भी कर लेती हूँ. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू बी देयर इन बुक विद द मैगजीन फॉर यू. एंड society of course goes for me a long way back. I've known Ashok since many years, and I think it's society for me is home ground. And I've been featured in this for years and years, and thank you for helping my career over 36 years.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam.
Go ahead and have a lovely sleep. So you can go on. This is yours. Thank you for your very kind words. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please cheer the loudest, जिन्होंने इतने सारे राज भी हमें बताए. Divya Bhatnagar ji, state you. Miss Divya Bhatnagar, the producer of Meher, the very fabulous film, Go Ahead, the Punjabi film, और आज जो भी हो रहा है, उनकी कृपा से, उनकी मेहर से ही हो रहा है, रबदी मेहर से, जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा, क्या बात है. So thank you so much. It's been very special having you here with us, and how excited are you to see them on this magazine cover, Divya?
Firstly, thank you Ashok ji, thank you Jaya ji, and thank you Society Achievers. I think this is one of the best covers I've ever seen, one of the most good looking couples I've ever seen, and one of the best couples I've had the privilege to know on this. So yes, congratulations and best wishes.
So, दोनों को साथ लेकर अब फिल्म बनाने का सोच रहे हैं आप, दोनों को साथ लेकर असली जोड़ी को?
दोनों के डेट्स मुझे साथ में लेने होंगे.
वो पॉसिबल मुश्किल है.
We just keep one actor in the household, and he can stick to being a politician, a commentator, cricketer, all the roles he has played in life. I think let's see.
Yeah, she wants to do the acting scenario. हाँ, हरभजन जी क्या करना चाहेंगे?
Although he's done 2 films, let me just tell you that also. He's done 2 South films. वो पंजाबी नहीं, 2 South films किए हैं. So there is an actor in him, and he's a very good actor.
चांस ही नहीं दे रही बात करने के लिए. क्या
It's
कहेंगे आप?
okay. One actor.
One cricketer.
एक घर में एक क्रिकेटर और एक एक्टर. ठीक है. मेरा काम है इसको सपोर्ट करना. I'll continue to support. ये बस ऊंचाइयों को छुए, नाम कमाए, और बस वही चाहते हैं. और अगर वैसा हो जाए तो मजेदार अच्छा काम है ना.
वैसा हो चुका है. हो चुका है.
Yes, Baji is really
उनके
been a
जुबान
great support.
उनके जुबान पर. Yes, absolutely.
I must share with everyone today. See, last 3 years after the pandemic, when we started our second inning, we have, I think, in last 3 years, must be 36 covers.
Yes.
Okay. Out of 36 covers, this is the most outstanding cover in terms of the creativity, color combination is the best.
Thank you.
And their cover picture.
And also their cover picture, it's really fabulous. Thank you. And thank you so much for giving us such a wonderful interview.
Thank you.
Ma'am, chance मिला, you never speak. You getting a chance, you want to say something?
थैंक यू आपका. आपने जिस तरीके से शब्दों को पिरोया है ना, जिस तरीके से वो लिखा है, कहानी वही अच्छी लगती है जब वो कहानी अच्छी लिखी जाती है फिर दिखाई जाती है. तो आपने कहानी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से लिखी है, वो आपके लिए, उसके लिए आपको शुक्रिया है.
And also, I just want to say that Society Achievers magazine is such a relevant magazine for today's generation. क्योंकि आपके अंदर वो सपना हो, एक जज्बा हो, तो सोसाइटी कुछ भी अचीव कर सकती है. And वो चीज़ कई बार sometimes you feel lot of the youngsters are lacking that when you hear someone else's story कि हमारे struggles क्या हैं, हमारे बीच में how we've achieved or how we're achieving in our own respective fields, it just gives other people that hope and inspiration. जैसे आज भी after 2 kids, after being married, I still have had that second chance and mauka to come back and continue my passions and my dreams. So that is something that's so important to give that message to people. Even Meher is that, that message in the film, कि मौका मिलेगा. Don't give up on your hopes and your dreams. So that is something that is very important for today's generation.
Beautiful message.
Just add to this that I think this cover page also says that two stars can live under one roof and support each other in their respective careers.
Thank you, Divya.
Asian. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Siddhant Gill, the very renowned name from Navrat PR and image strategist. We love you, Anusha, Srinivasan Iyer, and Siddhant Gill. This is especially for you. Thank you, Siddhant. So this is also the first time that our editor has spoken, and the fact that Sir mentioned that all the cover page, this has been very special. जैसे कि मैंने कहा धीरे-धीरे रास को फास्ट करते हैं. मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहूँगी देवियों सज्जनों that usually we have 15 lakh readership every month. So Geeta ji, we had the number of 3. अब कौन सा number? आपका number? Countdown. चलेगा ना? We want that.
Before we unveil this, I want Shivendra to say a few words and introduce this the unveiling.
Thanks, Ashok. First of all, thank you, Harbhajan, thank you, Geeta, for doing this for us, for talking to us, giving us such a fabulous, heartwarming story. As you know, Simran has spoken enough about the evolution of Society magazine, from society to society achievers. It's been a 5-decade-long journey for us. While we have been celebrating achievers, icons, stars like you, but we felt that it's about time that we also touch upon important societal issues, and one such big issue is education. We feel that education has that power to transform society. It is one of the most powerful change maker for driving change in the society. And Society Achievers magazine has taken up this task of publishing a special edition dedicated to education leaders who are making India proud globally. So what's happening in our country is it's quite remarkable, right from preschool going up to higher education and even global education, and then vocational skill training. Across the spectrum of education, there are exciting things happening. Jyoti ji and Sanjay Bhai also talked about the revolution that is happening in the field of robotics, AI, as well as drone technology. So Society Achievers magazine has decided to publish a special edition dedicated to these global education leaders who are driving change, who are sort of redefining education landscape, reimagining the way education is going to be in the future. And this is the unveiling of that logo of that special edition. We would like both of you to do the honors, please. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition, being unveiled by none other than Harbhajan Singh ji and Geeta Basra.
Ooh la la la! Wow! Wow!
This is Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition. This magazine will spotlight all the global education leaders who are doing India proud, who are doing exciting things in the field of education, both within the country as well as setting up colleges, universities globally. So Indian education brands are going global. At the same time, global education brands are coming to India. As you know, Maharashtra government has done a MOU with 4 international universities, and we are setting up a global education hub in Navi Mumbai. So very soon we will have world-class education being offered in our own country, in our own city, in our own state. So there are exciting times ahead for education leaders. Yeah. So with that, let me hand it over to.
Yes.
Congratulations for GSLC, Global Education Leaders, joining hands with Society Achievers, ladies and gentlemen, Magnet Publishing, ladies and gentlemen, wow. The special edition, and it's time for me to thank everyone, but not before I have my picture. This is my moment, I need to have that.
Thank you. Sir, Aja, sir, please.
No, Afi, please, everyone. Jayashree ma'am, please. Everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly overwhelmed by the kind of love and response that you all have given us. Thank you to all our friends from the media, our distinguished dignitaries. Oh, that's so kind of you. And really want to thank you. और जिस तरह से आपने बातें की आप दोनों ने, we haven't experienced this kind of soulful relation.